problem based on meter bridge. Question is, in a meter bridge experiment, R is in left gap and S is in right gap. Then the null point is obtained at a distance of 33.7 cm from A, that is from left end. If now a resistance of 12 ohm is connected in parallel with S, the null point occurs at 51.9 cm. Determine the value of R and S. Now to get values of R and S, two conditions are given in this question. So by first condition, let us obtain equation 1 and equation 2 by second condition. Now by first condition, R is connected in left gap, S is connected in right gap, and null point is obtained at a distance of 33.7 cm from end A, that is from left end. The value of LR is equal to 33.7 cm. LS is equal to 100 minus LR. Therefore, LS is equal to 100 minus 33.7 equal to 66.3 cm. Now use balance condition and write equation. R upon S is equal to LR upon LS. Therefore, R upon S is equal to 33.7 upon 66.3. Let this be equation 1. Now, by second condition. In second condition, 12 ohm resistance is connected in parallel with S, and at that time null point is obtained at a distance of 51.9 cm from left end. So let us take first parallel combination of S and 12 ohm resistance. So its equivalent resistance, let it be denoted by SP. Therefore, equivalent resistance of parallel combination of S and 12 is given by SP is equal to 12S upon 12 plus S. Let this be equation 2. Now take balanced condition. We can write R upon SP is equal to LR upon LS. Now substitute values of SP, LR and LS, and we get R in bracket 12 plus S upon 12S is equal to 51.9 upon 48.1. Let this be equation 3. Now substitute value of R upon S from equation 1 in equation 3 and simplify it. See here, value of R upon S in equation 1 is 33.7 upon 66.3. So that is substituted. Remaining value is 12 plus S upon 12. So it is equal to 51.9 upon 48.1. Now simplify this equation to get value of S. Therefore S is equal to 25.478 minus 12. So it is equal to 13.478 ohm. Now substitute this value in equation 1 and get value of R. Do this calculation by using logbook and we get value of R is equal to 6.86 ohm. So here is complete answer. S is equal to 13.478 ohm and R is equal to 6.86 ohm.